Believe me, the thought of you always gives me energy to make another video. For you have been a supportive fan. Thanks so much for what you have been so far. Today we're gonna be looking at how simple what you're seeing on your screen right now is. On this straight line, I'm going to mark a point, and from that point I'm going to mark how wide I want the pocket to be, that is the length of it. I want it in the video to be 4 inches. Still from the same starting point, I mark also at 1.25. Using our first line at the center, I'm going to mark 0.75 inch twice on both sides. That is 0.75 inch twice on the right side and also on the left side, which on each side we have 1.5 inch, which sum is 3 inches. So we're gonna connect those new points to the points marked on the center line. So this is how to draw a kite or kite. For what we're gonna have here, a kite, that is one kite inside another. For the larger diagonals of the outermost kite, they are guidelines for folding. So I just reproduce those lines for me to know where to notch so I can fold properly. Having done this, let's go to the inner kite. The larger diagonals of the inner kite too gonna be guideline for stitching. Here I already have my pocket bag gummed to where I want the pocket to be. I'm sorry that was done off camera. All I used there was gum. The next we are going to do is to cut this at the center. Be very careful with your scissors here, not to mistakenly cut beyond the stitch line. Let's lift this and cut completely. Now we are going to cut from center to the start and end point of the stitch on the diagonals. Kindly note that kites are made of 4 right angles. The side of the right angle, called hypotenuse, is a diagonal, which in study of vector is a resultant. So we are going to turn over after notch. Let's press and open the seams with iron. This will not relax still until you cut through from the other end of this material, like this. Make sure you don't cut to the stitch point. Use a scissors that you can control. You must have seen in several of my videos whenever I'm doing notching, I love using that small scissors because I can control it. Please pay a closer attention here. You see what we have here? Let's hold things in place with Emmy gum. Now we are going to stitch it from behind, like this. I think there is still more to stitch at the back. Yeah. Please like this video if you've learned one or two from it. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and turn on your notification bell that you may always be the first to watch every video coming from Lady Mister. Please leave me a comment also in the comment section, please. I love reading your comments. Please. Let's cut out the excess. Let's stitch round this kite. Now we are going to cover with the pocket bag by folding it into halves. So I'm going to overlock with overlocking machine. I really appreciate the time you spared to be part of this discussion. Thanks so much. See you again in our next discussion.